Today we talk about how can you start exercise on your Wearfit app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first you just go down here. You click here on exercise down here. You just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this, and here can you select any of this exercise here. So I'm going to click to this exercise here. You just click on it. It's going to take you to this list. You click here on start training here. So then here automatically here it's going to start with you on your Wearfit app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish know you are great. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.